Hi everyone, welcome back to Listopia. In this video, we're going to show you the best dash cams of 2023. These are the gadgets that will let you capture everything that happens on the road, from the good to the bad to the ugly. We have selected the best ones for you based on their functionality, reliability, and affordability. So watch till the end and see which one is the best for you. And if you enjoy this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Nexar Pro. The Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam is mainly aimed at pro drivers who spend long hours on the road and need both dash cam and in-car security. The front-facing camera has a 135 degrees field of view and records in 1080p Full HD resolution, while the interior-facing camera has a 115 degrees field of view and records in 720p resolution. The interior camera also features 10 infrared LEDs to improve night vision. The Nexar Pro system has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, which allows it to capture GPS data for helping with insurance claims, and to automatically back up incidents to the cloud for free. The Nexar app also offers some neat tools such as live streaming, instant video sharing, and smart alerts. The Nexar Pro system does not have a display, so you need to use your phone's app to view footage or change settings. It also does not have a physical save button to manually record incidents, which is a common feature in most dash cams. The Nexar Pro system comes with everything you need to install it in your car, including a suction cup mount for the front camera, a self-adhesive sticker for the interior camera, a 3-meter cable, a USB charger plug, and installation tools. You can upgrade to a larger microSD card if needed. So what do we think of the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam? Well, we think it's a fine dual camera solution for those who need both dash cam and in-car security. It has great quality video and GPS data, free cloud storage backup, and a user-friendly app. However, it also has some drawbacks, such as its interior camera needs to be stuck to the screen, its strain on the phone battery, its mediocre daytime image quality, its lack of features, and its inability to change basic settings. Nextbase 522GW. The Nextbase 522GW has a 3-inch touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate the settings and view the recordings. It also has a magnetic mount that attaches securely to the windshield and allows you to remove the dash cam quickly when needed. One of the most impressive features of this dash cam is its Alexa voice control. You can use voice commands to start and stop recording, turn the microphone on or off, and even ask Alexa to play music, check the weather, or control your smart home devices. Another unique feature is the SOS emergency mode, which can automatically contact emergency responders in case of a serious crash. This could potentially save your life or someone else's in an emergency situation. The Nextbase 522GW also has a polarizing filter that can be adjusted to reduce glare and improve video quality. It can record in 1440p at 30 frames per second, or 1080p at 60 frames per second, depending on your preference. The video quality is excellent, with crisp and detailed visuals and good contrast and saturation. The dash cam also has a built-in GPS that records your location, speed, and direction of travel. It also has a parking mode that can record while your car is parked, but you need a hardware kit to use this feature. The only drawbacks of this dash cam are its relatively large size compared to some rivals, its frustrating power cord connection and flimsy port covers, and its lack of internal storage. You need a microSD card to save your videos, which is not included in the box. Overall, we think the Nextbase 522GW is a great dash cam that offers a lot of features and excellent video quality. It is especially useful for those who want Alexa voice control and SOS emergency mode. Garmin Dash Cam 57. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 is a small and discreet device that can be easily mounted on your windshield with a magnetic mount. It has a 2-inch color display and 4 buttons on the side for navigating the menus and settings. It also has voice control, which lets you save videos, take photos, start audio recording, and enter travel apps mode with simple commands. The dash cam has a 140-degree field of view and records in 1440p resolution at 30 frames per second. The video quality is decent in both day and night conditions, although it can be slightly fuzzy at dusk or dawn. The dash cam also has GPS, which embeds location and speed data on your videos. One of the best features of the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is its incident detection and cloud storage. When an impact is detected, the dash cam automatically saves and uploads the video to the cloud, where you can access it from your phone or computer. You can also use the Garmin Drive app to view live footage, edit videos, share clips, and adjust settings. The dash cam also has some driver alerts, such as lane departure warnings, speed camera notifications, and forward collision warning. These can be helpful to keep you safe on the road, but they can also be annoying or inaccurate at times. Overall, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is a solid mid-range dash cam with some impressive features and decent video quality. It is easy to use and install, and has a sleek and discreet design. It also has cloud storage, which is a rare feature among dash cams. If you are looking for a dash cam with voice control, GPS, and cloud connectivity, you might want to check out the Garmin Dash Cam 57. Vantrue N4. The Vantrue N4 has 3 cameras, a front camera that can record in 4K resolution, an interior camera that can capture the inside of your car with infrared night vision, and a rear camera that can record the road behind you. You can choose to use all 3 cameras at once, or switch to 2-channel mode for higher resolution. The Vantrue N4 has a 2.45-inch LCD screen that lets you view the live feed and adjust the settings. It also has a USB-C port for powering up the camera and connecting it to a computer. It does not have built-in GPS or Wi-Fi, but you can buy an optional GPS device that attaches to the camera and records your speed and location. The Vantrue N4 is easy to install and use, and it comes with a suction cup mount, a car charger, a rear camera cable, and a USB data cable. It supports up to 256 GB microSD card for storing your videos. We tested the Vantrue N4 in different lighting conditions and found that it produces clear and sharp footage from all 3 cameras. The front camera captures a lot of details in 4K mode, while the interior and rear cameras have good contrast and color in 1080p mode. The infrared night vision works well in low-light situations, but you have to enable it manually from the menu. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 is a versatile dash cam that gives you a comprehensive view of what's happening around your car. It is ideal for professional drivers or anyone who wants extra security and evidence in case of an accident. It has some drawbacks, such as the lack of GPS and Wi-Fi, and the high price tag, but overall it is a solid product that delivers on its promises. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a sleek and sturdy device that attaches to your windshield with a magnetic mount. It has a 3-inch touchscreen display that lets you adjust the settings and view the recordings. The camera has a 140-degree field of view and a 6-layer lens that captures every detail on the road. One of the main selling points of the Nextbase 622GW is its 4K video resolution, which is the highest in the market. The footage is crisp and clear, even in low-light conditions, thanks to the enhanced night vision mode. The camera also has image stabilization, which reduces the vibration and distortion caused by bumps and potholes. Another feature that sets the Nextbase 622GW apart from other dash cams is its integration with Alexa and What 3 Words. You can use voice commands to control the camera, such as start/stop recording, take photos, or play music. You can also use What 3 Words to share your exact location in case of an emergency, which can be a lifesaver in remote areas. The Nextbase 622GW also has some other useful features, such as emergency SOS, intelligent parking mode, and rear camera module compatibility. You can connect the camera to your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and use the My Nextbase app to view, edit, and share your videos. So, what do we think of the Nextbase 622GW? Well, we are impressed by its video quality, performance, and features. It is definitely one of the best dash cams you can buy right now. However, it is also one of the most expensive ones, so you have to decide if it is worth the investment. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.